With eHandbook Navigator 11, we introduced several major enhancements to the existing bookmarking feature. When working with ECU software documentation, there are cases where you need to revisit the same place again and again. For example, when calibrating a new function, you might want to revisit the model screenshot that shows important control flow switches in order to understand how to calibrate the function. Another case is that you need to revisit the textual documentation with important information frequently. So far, it was not possible to memorize frequently visited places easily. eHandbook Navigator provided a basic bookmarking feature that allowed you to memorize chapters, sections, and subsections. This, however, was not sufficient to memorize specific places such as an embedded image or even an interactive model hierarchy. So how does the enhanced bookmarking feature of eHandbook Navigator 11 now work? With eHandbook Navigator 11, you can add bookmarks directly from within the content. Places that can be bookmarked are marked with a star icon that also can be clicked as a button. In the dialog, you can edit the name or add a description. Bookmarks can now also be made for embedded screenshots, like this one. Or this one. All bookmarks are centrally stored in the Bookmarks view, directly in eHandbook Navigator. In order to open a bookmark, simply double-click on it. Bookmarks are now also supported for interactive models. When you browse through an interactive model, the model navigation bar shows the place where you currently are. In order to memorize a model hierarchy, simply bookmark it. In the Bookmarks view, you can see the different types of bookmarks for text places as well as model places. When double-clicking on a bookmark for an interactive model, the model hierarchy gets opened in a new tab. So let's add some further bookmarks for a different function. Here's a bookmark for a formula or a bookmark for the parameter table. The bookmarks can be organized in folders. Simply create a new folder and use drag and drop to arrange the bookmarks. The bookmarks are stored with eHandbook Navigator, the tool, not within the eHandbook files that are opened. This allows you to use the bookmarks also for other eHandbook files. When loading another eHandbook file, eHandbook Navigator automatically checks if the bookmarks exist in this new eHandbook file or not. Bookmarks that do not exist in the other eHandbook file are grayed out, while the bookmarks that exist are simply valid. You can open that content directly by double-clicking on the bookmark entry. So this enhanced bookmarking feature allows you to memorize places even when you receive new eHandbook files for an updated ECU software during your project.